down. Really hurts bad cause I need you now. In a messed up place, my head spins round. The only kind of drug that can calm me down, but you left me alone. Your heart made of stone, so I gave you my own, and you left me cold. Save me, I needed you to save me. But every single time you break me, every single time you break me, ooh, you break me down, you wear me out. I can't breathe now, you let me down. So where am I now? Start to feel good, then you come back round. Thought of me and you just brings me down. Gone, I'm good, I'ma figure this out, so I'm done for now. Me and you will finish, girl, it's over now. Looking for the pain till I come back down. I don't wanna feel a thing, so I'm numb right now. I said I'm done for now. Me and you will finish, girl, it's over now. Looking for the pain till I come back down. I don't wanna feel a thing, so I'm numb right now. Save me, I needed you to save me. But every single time you break me, every single time you break me, ooh, you break me down, you wear me out. I can't breathe now, you let me down again.
Yeah.
Since you break me down.
One of my friends from high school. But
Who'd you hang out with at fucking Valentine?
Save me, I
He's also
needed
dead.
you to
Nope.
save me. But every single time you break me, every single time you break me, ooh, you break me down, you wear me out. I can't breathe now, you let me down again. You let me down, really hurts bad cause I need you now. In a messed up place, my head spins round. The only kind of drug that can calm me down, but you left me alone. Your heart made of stone, so I gave you my own, and you left me cold. Save me, I needed you to save me. But every single time you break me, every single time you break me, ooh, you break me down, you wear me out. I can't breathe now, you let me down again. So where am I now? Start to feel good, then you come back round. Thought of me and you just brings me down. Gone, I'm good, I'ma figure this out, so I'm done for
man, this
now.
game
Me and you will finish, girl, it's over now. Looking for the pain till I come
Yo.
back down. I don't wanna feel the thing, so I'm numb right now. I said I'm done for now. Me and you will finish, girl, it's over now. Looking for the pain till I come back down.
Suck my fucking dick, Vivek! What is up with you today?
holy shit, man. I don't want to take 10 minutes to load into a strike.
Imagine your card declines at the abortion clinic and they give the baby CPR. Wait, what? I don't get it.
You didn't get it?
No, you're not meant to give a baby CPR?
No, do you know what an abortion clinic is? They
Yeah.
kill
Oh,
unborn
nah, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh my god, why did that fly in my head? Oh god, that's fucked up. I fucking hate you doing that, eh?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so fucked. Stop it.
What is it? Wait, what does it sound like?
I don't even know. This sounds like a mega chat. I don't know how that happened.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't want to talk about it.
What killed you?
Nothing to worry about.
Alright, damn.
uh,
I hate you.
You have a cat, Daniel?
I have a cat?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, me. I'm his Discord kitten.
Daniel's just going kid.
Yeah! Oh my god!
What'd you get, Bo? Please let me look.
Oh, it doesn't have accurized. Vivek, you're just chaining everyone in there. It's so yuck. Oh god. Look at our teammates' scores, dude. Snipers will be better for comp or trials. See, dude, look,
Yeah.
this is how it is every game.
Yeah.
Bo.
Huh?
Boy.
You see that jump shot?